What up? It's Matt. Welcome back to Talk Update on Mustang. I just checked the oil on the Fox because I'm about to go for a drive, and I'm happy to report that it does not appear to be losing as much oil as it did previously prior to the oil change and changing the drain plugs on the oil pan. So it seems like there's still some leakage from what I can see in the driveway, but definitely better than it was before. So yeah. So the reason why I'm driving the Fox today is because I am going to take it to a car audio place to see about having a double DIN receiver with Apple CarPlay installed, and maybe having some of the speakers fixed, and eventually getting a cool subwoofer for the hatch so I can have some nice tunes while I'm driving. We'll see how this goes. I just got back from Action Auto Sound and Security in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and you can see that the Fox now has a double DIN receiver from Boss Audio Systems Elite, and I'm happy to report that this particular receiver has it's not plugged in obviously, but it has Apple CarPlay. The other things that I figured out is there's no speaker in that door. This tweeter, and the speaker in that door are working, and the I think maybe 6x9s that are in the back are working. So I have music, and also I did call my wife on the way back, and there's a little, you can see a little microphone here, which at first I thought it was kind of weird looking, and then my wife said that she could hear me very clearly on the call. I was at a stoplight, so I think if I was driving it would have been a little bit more difficult because of how loud it is inside the Fox. But I'm pretty excited to have music and have the functionality of Apple CarPlay. The only thing I think I'm going to change is I don't like how the thing for the USB comes out right here. I'm probably just going to have it run on the side so I can't see it while I'm driving. And then I do think I'm going to get some a subwoofer or subwoofers to give the Fox a little bit more boom bass. So pretty excited to get this done. I did not go to the window tint place. I feel like I was probably gonna end up spending too much money today, and I have other stuff that I need to pay for. Like I think I mentioned already that I have an appointment to get the high flow cats installed, and also the what else? The bracket for the horn. I'm gonna have that welded to the frame, so I gotta get that done. Then I think I'm gonna try and get the windows tinted, and do the rest of the stereo around the same time. I'll try to get a speaker there, and then either one or two subwoofers and an amp, something that's good quality but not so much bass that it makes the car fall apart or weighs a gazillion pounds. So pretty excited to have some tunage and no longer have this empty, what used to be an empty space with wires sticking out of it. Pretty cool. Okay, so I got the Apple CarPlay cable coming out over here rather than right in the middle. There's a little bit of a tight fit, but that's fine. I mean, it doesn't look great, but I mean, nobody ever really rides in this besides me, so maybe at some point I'll find a way to make it a little bit cleaner, or find a way to like route it in a way that looks more OEM or whatever. So anyways, I guess I could I can't really do like a sample of the Apple CarPlay or whatever, since it'll probably just play my music automatically, and then YouTube copyright nonsense will kick in. Not that I'm really making any money from YouTube yet. Yeah, so pretty excited to have one more thing done on the Fox, but trying to not lose track of the other stuff that I want to get done, especially since summer is ending. I mean, fall's not a bad time to be in the garage because it won't be brutally hot and it shouldn't be too cold. But we are gonna have cold weather in the not too distant future, so I got to remember to get certain things done before it gets too cold. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video as we made a technological advancement on the Fox with the help of a shop that actually knows what they're doing with this kind of stuff. So I will hopefully have more exciting stuff that I'll be doing on my own in the next few weeks or coming months. So if you're new to my channel and you like my video, please hit subscribe. Otherwise, just keep an eye out for more stuff on the Fox Mustang. Maybe I'll do a sandwich review sometime soon. And yeah, hope you're staying healthy. Hope you're staying safe. Peace out.